I hear none. I'm your quads, live on the tone in lesson 5. Man, 2 mid-airs there going through the start, but everyone keeps flying in this heat.
Gas in 18.5.
All right.
Zilla 29.6.
The Zilla is doing it correctly. I verified that.
Ended up at that. What was that? I ended up at that place you recently went out.
Roboland 35.6.
I'm watching.
Cyberdrone 46
Okay.
flat.
What, a pilot pizza?
1 minute left.
Wow, thank you. No, no, no. Back, Roboland. Go back, go back. You're doing backwards. Go outside of the flag. Outside of the flag. Okay, try not to do it backwards, though. See if we can get back up. All right, let's try this again.
Zilla 27 flat.
Far side, nope, 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 nope. Far side, far, no.
10.
You keep doing the same thing over again. Far, left side, no.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zilla 26.7. Zilla done with a 4-lap 207.6 result.
All right, 4 laps, 2 laps, 1 lap, and 1 lap. You clear on what you have to do, Rob? All right. You're upside down looking at the thing. You're in the middle of the course over there.